declaration to Idaho residents and public officials.
We, the people of the state of Idaho, reaffirm our solemn commitment to the foundational principles that have made America the greatest country in the world.
As stated in our state constitution and restated here, we remain grateful to Almighty God for our freedoms.
We recognize that all of us are by nature free and equal and have certain inalienable rights, among which are enjoying and defending life and liberty, acquiring, possessing, and protecting property, and pursuing happiness and securing safety.
The fact that a pandemic may or may not be occurring changes nothing about the meaning or intent of the state constitution in the preservation of our inalienable rights.
Despite this being in direct contravention of our state's founding principles, state and local officials have for months denied the people of our state basic and fundamental rights by issuing a long procession of emergency orders and edicts
that have denied people freedom of movement, assembly, religion, possession and enjoyment of property, and the pursuit of happiness.
This has been allowed to go on for too long.
By this letter, we demand an end to the emergency orders issued by state and local government officials and the restoration of our constitutionally protected rights.
We further resolve that any order issued in the future will be ignored,
unless those orders recognize, honor, and uphold, without reservation or equivocation, our God-given rights.
Ratified by the people of Idaho, October 1st, 2020.